Who's more accurate, man or machine? Whew. Stay tuned. What's going on, everybody? Just landed in Tokyo, behind the scenes with Lethal Shooter. I'm at the Shibuya crossing right now. Stay tuned because I have a lot of stuff to show you guys. First time in Japan, guys. In a few more hours, guys, I'm going against the robot, but I'm just doing a little bit of sightseeing first. It's a little nervous, so we'll see how this goes, but mankind versus robot in a few hours, guys. Yum, yum, yummy. This robot definitely does not miss for the stuff that I studied online. I've studied this robot's tendencies. It does not miss at all, guys, because it's programmed to just make shots. There it is. Been waiting my whole life for this. One of the best shooters in the world meets one of the best shooters in the world. Q6. Man. In person, this thing is tall. Hands are big. Can't be a great shooter unless you don't have big hands. I love this. We're really gonna see. I love this, man. I'm excited. Nice to meet you. About 2.5 years ago, I saw Q on TV, and I said, this robot's remarkable. I would love to meet it. You know, not even trying to be funny. I just want to be in the same presence as Q because it's an amazing thing. I mean, this is ahead of its time. You know, we're in 2023, but this is something that belongs in 2050. I don't want people to think this is a regular robot. Like, this thing really doesn't miss. This thing has the capability of when it does miss, it can calibrate to make the next shot. So that's remarkable. So definitely shout out to Toyota and all the engineers behind it.
まずはSNS で、リサルさんの動画を見ていろんなオリジナルなゴールを作られているので、特にそういうユニークなゴールに対応できるように通常とは違う形の軌道のシュートができるような準備をしてきました。ロボットの強みは同じ状況下での繰り返し精度みたいなもの、正確性はロボットの方が強みがあると思うんですが、逆に言うとそれこそボールの反発係数みたいなものだったり、ボールのコンディションとか会場のコンディション、気温、周りの人との相対関係、いろんな毎回違う状況の中で都度最適な判断をしているっていう人間の凄みが改めてよく分かりましたし、まだまだやっぱりそこは乖離が大きいだろうなと思いますね。
First challenge, shot for shot from the corner. Let's do this. Okay, I see you, Q. Q ain't missing, y'all. This is crazy. Gotta get warmed up, guys. I'm jet lagged. We both miss one. Next one to miss loses the challenge. Mankind went down the first game. Stay tuned. We're at the top of the key right now. We're gonna progress all the way back to half court. Whoever has the highest score at the end wins. This guy doesn't miss, man. Spot 2, let's go. Every millisecond, this thing is updated. That's a bucket. That thing's a bucket. Let's see what happens this one. Come on, Q. Woo. It's a lot of pressure right now, guys. Let's see if I clap again, it throws off Q. Come on, Q. Come on. Oh my goodness. Let me tell you something. That thing has cameras. It's dialed in on the rim. I don't think it's gonna miss. This thing's locked in. Locked in. Look at this. Locked in. If I had to play a game, I'm bringing Q with me. I'm bringing Q. Doesn't miss. Hopefully you missed this one. We're gonna see. Oh my goodness. We're at the last spot right now, and this is for all the marbles. Let's see how this goes. Knock it down, Q. And I want you guys to know this is half court. This thing's amazing. The best technology in the world. Shout out to Toyota. Cash. It's getting hot in here. Klay Thompson and Steph Curry. This is my partner now. Splash. Buckets. My shot, Q. Your shot, Q. See what you got. If I bring you back to America, man, we go to these playgrounds, you gotta shoot with a hand in your face. That's a bucket. All right, it's getting hot in here. We gotta take the stakes up. The one thing you know about me, I love challenges. Where's the 13-inch rim, guys? There it is. We're gonna put this on the rim now and see who can shoot, because this thing right here, it never misses. We're using a 13-inch rim now. Final challenge, 13-inch rim, top of the key. Let's see how this goes. Woo! See what you got, Q. Look how beautiful. I mean, this is just the art of shooting. That's tough. That's tough, Q. It's tough. This is what I do though, man. I'll tell you one thing, you're the best shooter I've ever seen in my life. The 13-inch rims, 12-inch rims, 11-inch rims, 10-inch rims, 9-inch rims. That's what I do, Q. That's what I do, man. Stay locked in. Come on, man. You adjusting like that? You adjusting like that? Goodness gracious, kick that thing, kick it. Come on, man. No way you adjusting like that. Don't miss this one. You missed this one this game. Oh man, I see all the lights. No way, no way. Oh, good job, Q. Props to Q, absolute shooter. First challenge, Q took it. I'm not gonna lie, I was nervous, guys. Second challenge, I was getting a feel for it, and we got a tie. Third challenge, you guys know I took it. 13-inch rim, that's what I do. Until next time, Q, you are an absolute shooter. Stay locked in, man. It's good to meet you.